If you're searching for a world of contemporary architecture and modern living, look no further than Drexel Terrace, Chicago, a student sanctuary amid the vibrant and bustling tapestry of Illinois. Choose between a thoughtfully designed ensuite or spacious two-bed apartments, each crafted to offer comfort, privacy, and functionality. Both options feature generous layouts with elegant wooden flooring that adds a warm, upscale touch to your personal living space. Perfect for students. Bring your wheels along, there's ample parking available on the property. Whether you're catching a break in the private backyard or managing laundry with ease, Drexel Terrace makes student living effortlessly comfortable. No need to part with your furry companions either. This pet-friendly property welcomes your beloved fur babies too. Students, your mornings just got easier. The University of Chicago and Illinois Institute of Technology are just a short drive away. Plus, with close proximity to public transportation like E. Hyde Park and Drexel Bus Stop and 51st, Chicago train station will make commuting an absolute breeze. Hurry, grab your spot at Drexel Terrace Chicago today through amberstudent.com.